Yeah, I know. You need me to build it. So I'm gonna build it for you. So yes, you need the big base plate. Follow along with me if you want to. There you have it. There. Let me take you a moment to find it. So, that, you might need this later. I'm gonna let you look at it. Then you need that piece when it can go in the middle. And it goes right back there. Might need that a little later. That piece turns. That's what this piece is for. It's supposed to go up there. I forgot to add these two pieces right there. I'm just a kid. I forget stuff a lot. On the side, you get those, and you get a brick. And now it's time to put this thing on. There's a little gap in there. You can fill that up with something. Do it with a one by one brick. It can be the most color it should be used for is brown right in there, but I am doing it brown, and you can do whatever color. Let's start with the build again. And these two pieces go right there, because then it can go out and in like that. Then this piece goes right back there. So this will go outward. This thing will go that way. Just goes right on there. And that's the spot for the money to go in. So you can put that on there. This 1x2 red goes right there. And that one goes right there. And the thing that was this goes right there. These two 1x1 circle black ones with studs go on the side. There you are. You have your own. Bye.